Hey, it's Ollie here from Newave, and welcome to our first introductory session to LaunchPad, which is an amazing composing app that you can get free on the App Store. In the session, what we're going to do is we're going to kind of look at the layout of the app, how it works, and also how you'll be able to record some of your own composition. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to head over to the App Store. This also works on iPhones as well, so if you do have an iPhone, you can use it on there, like me. We're going to head to search, and we're going to type in LaunchPad. And we scroll down, and it is right here. Luckily for me, I've already downloaded this, so I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. And when you do open it, you'll be greeted by this, lots and lots of colours and lots of shapes as well. So we've got some circles, some lines, we've got loads and loads of bits going on. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to have a little explore to see what the shapes and colours mean. So let's try playing one first and see what it sounds like. Awesome, so we've got some drums there. Let's play another one over here. We've got some other drums as well, but they sound slightly different, don't they? Let's try one. Let's try this one here. Yes, that one was a little bit quicker. Let's try this purple one here. So we got a really quick percussion sound there. So all our greens and our purples are types of drums, types of percussion. Let's have a little listen to some of these blue ones here. So we've got our lows, we've got our bass sounds there. So our blue circles and blue lines are our bass noises. Now we've got loads and loads of pink ones here. Let's have a little listen to them, see what they are. Cool, that was a really cool melody sound there. Let's have a little listen to another one. Awesome. Let's try one more. Cool, so we've got lots and lots of melodic patterns and voices as well. Some with really cool chords, others just doing small little melody lines. At the bottom, we've got some lines. Let's find out what they do. Sounded pretty cool. So these are our effects at the bottom, things that we can add in during our performance or our composition when we're adding in the different circles. Now these are touch controlled, so as you just saw then, if I just touch it quickly and let go, it stops straight away. If I hold it down, we can hear a bit more. Brill. So with all these different sounds, is what we can do is we can start to play some of them together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose some of these sounds now that I like, and I'm going to play them together at the same time. It's all touch control, so once I touch one, until I touch it again, it will still keep playing. We've got our drums here. And there you go. That was a little composition I just did there on my own. So it's time for you guys now. Have a little play around. Have a little mess around with some of these different sounds that you can hear. And in the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to have a little look at some more effects to see how we can be a bit more creative with our compositions. So I'll see you on the next one.